Hey you all, I'm back for my install of my DY777 hair, which I love her. She's such a beautiful unit. Loose body wave hair in 22 inches, which is like the perfect length for your girl, okay? Very bouncy, very minimal shedding that I've noticed thus far. If you watched the video before, we already bleached our knots. And by bleaching our knots, I mean just went in with some regular airbrush legs, bronzer, or leg makeup, and sprayed the inside of this and let it dry. And it definitely made a difference because you can see, you can't see any of the knots now. Yes. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and get into the styling of this wig, and I hope you guys enjoy it. We're gonna play a little music for you, and you just sit back, relax, and enjoy it. Okay, let's go. All right, y'all. After installing this, I did a really basic install today. Nothing too dramatic. I just did a little bit. I just cut down the baby hairs a little bit. They were already pretty short, and just did a couple of little baby hairs here, and just did a couple of little baby hairs in the front, and kind of just, you know, ran my fingers through it a little bit just to make it a little bit more full, because that's how I like to wear my curl. This hair stretched is past my breast, so it's very true to length. Love it. Very cute. Very true to length, true to density. I love this hair. The only thing I will say though is that there are some flyaways at the top that you can see right here. So you're gonna need probably some mousse. This hair is really cute. I love this wig. Like, I love it. The more of these reviews I do, the more of a fanatic I become. So this is definitely added to the permanent collection, y'all. Like I said, y'all, if you want to see more of these reviews, make sure you hit a big thumbs up down below. And also, if you want to check out this company and check out this unit, all of the specs and the links are down below this video. And yeah. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this vlog, and I'll see you next time.